afternoon, class. By the way, my name is Narjan Hankan and I am your math teacher in this afternoon. Please all stand and may I call on Rolex to lead the opening prayer. In the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Again, good afternoon, class. Okay, please be seated. So, who can recall our previous lesson? Yes, Rolex? Very good. So our topic yesterday is about fraction. So who can tell about fraction? Yes, Lord Jane? Very good. Fraction, in arithmetic, fraction is a number expressed as a quotient in which the numerator is divided by the denominator. So class, do you want to play a short game? Great. Now, I call this game A for fix one word. So I have here 4 pictures and I want you to identify what fraction are these. Okay, for this first picture, who can answer? Yes, Vanessa? Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, very good. So, this picture is 1/2. So, next. How about the second picture? Who can answer? Yes, Lord Jane? Okay, let's check again. Very good. So, this picture is 2/4. For the third picture, yes, Lauren? Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. 3/6. So, this is 3/6. For the last picture, yes, Rolex rather. Okay, very good. This picture is 4/8. Okay. Please give yourself a round of applause. What word comes in your mind when you hear the word equivalent? Yes, Vanessa? Okay, very good. So, equivalent comes from the word equal. So, kindly read the definition of equivalent fractions. Yes, Rolex? Okay, very good. So equivalent fractions are 2 or more fractions that are equal even though they have different numerators and denominators. Okay, so our topic in this afternoon is about identifying the equivalent fractions by multiplying it into 2. Okay, let's have an example. So, what is the equivalent fractions of 1/2 is 2/4. Okay, let's check if it is correct. For example, so 1/2 is equal to, so we're going to multiply it by 2, the numerator. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So first we're going to multiply the numerator into fractions. Okay? Okay, Lauren, please read the direction for this activity. Okay, thank you. Please sit down. So, shade, the direction is shade in the correct fraction of the circle and complete the equivalent fractions. So, the first one is done for you. So, we have 3/5. So, the shaded area here is 3. So, that is your numerator. And for getting the denominator, you're going to count how many areas are there. So in the whole circle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now this is 3/5. So for getting the equivalent fractions, again we're going to multiply it by 2. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So you have 5 minutes to answer this activity. Okay, class, are you done? Okay, very good. Okay, who got the perfect score? Okay, very good. Great job, students or class. So now, I will give you the last activity. Okay, kindly read the direction, Vanessa. Okay, very good. So our direction for the activity number 2 is that give the equivalent fractions of the following. Okay, since you already know how to answer or how to get the equivalent fractions, then it is easy for you to answer this activity. So for this activity, I will give you a 10 minutes to answer this. Okay, you may take your time. Okay, class, your time is up. Please pass your paper forward or in front. Then I will be the one to check your answer. Now, for your assignment, please get your assignment notebook and write it down here. Okay, answer the following. Or give, for the direction, give the equivalent fraction of number 1. Okay, 2/4. For number 2, 5/8. For number 3, 4/6. For number 4, 8/8. Okay, for the last number is 6/6. Okay, that's all for today. And I hope you learned so many things in how to get the equivalent fractions. Okay, please, Lauren, please lead the closing prayer. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye.